What if he doesn't answer?
Hello.
Hey, I'm sorry to wake you up. What size lift is it?
That's an 8 to 10 striker.
It's an 8 to 10 striker. You guys heard it from the mouth. Okay. Joshy Poo is tired because they worked 2 days straight. And I say straight, they worked 2 days straight to get this truck here at this show to debut it. They did not sleep. I watched the security cameras. I felt bad for them. All right, this is a 2020 Ram 2500. We touched everything, like I said. It's got bodyguard front and rear bumpers with the infinite cube lights in the center. It's got KG1 26 by 14s. Actually, I'm not sure if that's accurate. Hey, I was right. 26 by 14 KG1 wheels that are custom powder coated. It's also wrapped in a 37 14 50 26 Fury MT tire. Then we're gonna go down to the better part of this truck. So this has a Starlight headliner on the inside. It has constellations. It's got the Big Dipper. We went for it. I have scars to prove it. We also have the powder coated and paint match steps that drop down. The custom grille that is powder coated and paint matched to match the truck. We paint matched everything on this truck. Paint matched fenders, fender liners, and the best part of this truck, a powder coated Illusion Purple Striker 8 to 10 inch lift. It has the chrome overlays on it. And then obviously on the back side, we have more rock lights in it. It's got 24 rock lights in this thing, plus the rear bumper's infinite lights. We have touched everything on this truck and I cannot wait to see it lit up at night. But until then, we are debuting it here for the first time ever, the 2021 Ram 2500. One of the things we do as a shop is we go to shows to showcase a lot of the builds we have and also meet and see friendly faces around and companies we work with. So we're gonna go walk around iDrive Throwdown here in Orlando. It's a beautiful warm day. We've got a lot of cool builds we've built and we're gonna go see some companies we work with.
First off, we got a 1997 Ford F-250 with a 7.3. Now, not only do you see the bright red color, of course we don't do body work, but we had it painted. The guy that owns it actually had it painted. He took care of everything. We just took care of the rest. We put rock lights on this truck. We've got wheels, we've got tires, and a 6-inch lift. You don't normally see these trucks with a twin I-beam with a 6-inch lift that actually ride and function like they're supposed to. This one does. But we also got a little secret. It's about to go bigger, and Lifted Rippers is gonna do a coilover conversion on it, and we're probably gonna put it about 12 inches and get it a little bit taller off the ground.
Y'all, I have not introduced you, but this is Brian. He's the owner of a lot of things, but today I want to show you the Pulse hitches. It's on my truck, you've probably seen it.
What's up, sir?
What's up, brother? Tell us a little bit about these hitches and why they're different.
So, a couple things. We separate ourselves by being one of the strongest. I think right now you've got a hitch out there that's made with 3/16 steel. We go to 3/8. Our brake strength was 218,000. Hitch is rated as high as 34,000, which I don't think any of our competitors are doing.
Wow.
The other thing that we do is we have our customization options. We've got full overlays that are either one of 3 of our standard options. We can do custom. Or if you already have a lift, like some of the other guys, other manufacturers, we don't have stuff for it, we can import files and actually make and match this.
Yeah, you actually made, my lift has the same overlays as my hitch does, so they all match.
Yep.
And then there's another customer that we had that she did ribbons to support a charity fund. And they did the ribbons for her, so let's go check them out.
Yeah, make the switch.
All right guys, so this is Jason over at American Force. Now we're gonna let him tell us a little bit about their wheels, and maybe y'all can see some more American Forces coming from our shop.
What's up, guys? Our wheels made in America. They're big, they're round, and they're beautiful. That's all I got. You can't put me on the spot like that. You gotta give me some heads up. 6061, forged aluminum, made right here in York, South Carolina. And I say right here, we're in Orlando, Florida today, but
close enough.
In-house paint, we can do it all, custom finish, whatever you need, all the way up to 30 by 16s, floating caps, all of it's done in-house, so whatever you need, we got you covered.
Absolutely. Let's get some more American Forces to the shop. I've sold a few, but we don't sell enough, so why don't we sell more? We're already here, we're already talking, he's already recording, so.
Clip, or we just go for it, or
yeah,
off the rip?
For it. Off rip.
So, I'm Greg with Fittipaldi Wheels. We are out here at iDrive Throwdown. Fittipaldi Wheels is an automotive wheel manufacturer. We are in quite a few segments. We do automotive truck wheels, we do true beadlocks, we do cast wheels, we do true forged wheels, 24 inch up to 30 inch. And also street. We do street wheels, anything from cast street wheels to forged street wheels, even true carbon barrel street wheels. So we're a pretty good sized company, and we're growing by leaps and bounds every year.
Guys, we're back at it. We actually walked over down to the Fittipaldi booth to look at Brian's truck, who you just met over at the pools. This is Brian's other little daily driver. He said his other truck was too big, so we had to build him a little smaller one. So this one has a 10-inch lift on it from Elevate. It has Stardust over black with of course, you know, the white. Truck turned out amazing, rides really well, and it's on a set of Fittipaldis. You can't go wrong with this setup. It's a daily driver. It's not super wide. It's not super tall. He gets to enjoy it, use it like an actual truck, unlike some of these other trucks over here that will never even be driven down the road. This one gets driven every day. His guys drive it. He drives it. I'll even go get it from time to time if I need it. So here we go. We just wanted to show you a little bit of this beautiful truck. One thing that I forgot to mention, Brian also is the owner of BMC Lights. BMC Lights specializes in factory hardware. So all the cube lights and everything for these trucks fit in factory locations. That's what they were known for, and now they're just getting into a few other things and making their business even better. So be sure to check out all the BMC lighting and all the different options you can also buy from us over at Lifted Rippers. All right, guys, we're on another one that we did. This is a Striker 12-inch lift on Fittipaldis as well in 42s. He wants to go up to 44s. We might make a little bit for him and see what we can come up with. But this truck turned out perfect. He owns basically he owns a tree company, and he still uses it to pull his trailer. So these trucks can be used to be worked. So we're over here with Jordan over at Wicked. I'm 6'2", and he makes me look tiny. So if you ever want to know the man behind Wicked, here he is. Whoa, up here. But Jordan, you want to tell us a little bit about your kits a little?
Well, we have a, this is a 4-inch kit on this F450. It's a 24 F450 Platinum, or excuse me, limited. We can't downgrade it. Nope, can't downgrade it. It's got our full system on it. We've got full cradle setup, traction bars, 4-link, 2.5 shocks, full coil system, dual steering stabilizers, 26-inch American Force wheels, and 37-inch Fury tires. Goes down the road straight as an arrow. Hauls every weekend for me when we move all of our powder coat around. And to be honest with you, it's a perfect daily driver for me. So I can take this thing anywhere. I can pretty much park it anywhere, tow anything I want with it. Our kits are built for use. They're built for work. They're built for the every guy.
All right, guys, we're over here with X. I'm gonna pass you over to Alicia so she can kind of tell you a little bit about what they have and what we have to offer as well as them.
Hey guys, so it's Alicia with Axe Wheels. I'm reaching out, just wanting to tell you a little bit about our company. We've been around for over 30 years. We offer anything from cars, street, truck, off-road, UTV, you name it. Ranging in size from 17s all the way to 30s. We offer full forged and polished, black and milled, or we have our compression line. We also have a cast off-road line with tons of different styles, so definitely check us out and let us know what you think.
iDrive Throwdown 2025! Woo! Y'all, so you know one of the wheel companies that we love, wheels happen to be on my truck and my tow pig, is KG1 Forge. They offer so many wheels. I don't even have to tell you. You can see how big this magazine is. Great company to work with, amazing wheels, and honestly the prices are wildly cheap. So Fury tires, amazing tires. The reason why they are so popular right now is that they have like different sizes. So 26s, 28s, things that you don't normally see in an everyday tire. Great warranties, great product. I love the people. Great rubber. So.
Austin said you're not allowed to see it until we're done with it.